Welcome back, everybody. Eric Hoagland, General Contractor. Boy, do we have a treat for you today. This is the bathroom I've been telling you about. We've got the stand-up shower over here in the corner, and of course the garden tub. Old school double sink vanity. So we are going to be transforming this guy to absolutely stunning right before your eyes, and we're going to show you a couple of cool ways how we're going to bring epoxy resin right into this bathroom. It's going to be really awesome. We're going to redo the vanity top over here. We're going to show you how to do that. It's going to end up being a on-top vessel sink. We're going to shrink down from 2 to 1. So we're going to show you everything coming with that. And we got a special little surprise over here. At the end of the rainbow here, that's where our soaking tub's going to go, and we're going to show you a really cool way to pop some resin right into that to make it gorgeous. So stay tuned. We're going to transform this right before your eyes and show you exactly how we did the resin part. So we just want to give you a little sneak peek. This video is not set to come out in full until late next week. So we just want to give you a sneak peek real quick as to where we're at. We've already got the tile up. We got some of the bath hardware on. We haven't even grouted yet, but the plumbing's done. It's already been ran. The shower pan's set. We just want to give you just a sample of what's coming up late next week. Check this out. All right, so here we are, same bathroom. Just wanted to give you a shot of where we're at thus far. So this is the guy we got going in. Just beautiful tile. Really love the way this hit. So just a sneak peek here where we're at this far. This is going to be really pretty. We got glass doors that are going to be getting installed. We're going to finish out the box back there so she can get her shampoos and stuff. But this guy really hit well. We're going to be skirting all the way up around that ceiling, down the sidewall. It's going to be really pretty. So this guy over here, this is where we're going to be putting her custom shelving for all her laundry, her towels, bath stuff. Over here is where that garden, the free soaking tub is going to end up being. And it's going to sit right here along this wall. And then we're going to drop that 3D box right inside the wall here with the backdrop being epoxy. Remember, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So then moving over, once we get outside of the shower, remember we still got this guy to drop in. He's going to be awesome. We're going to be doing transforming this vanity, casting a really pretty top here for you all to see. So just wanted to show you where we're at so far. This is really going to be gorgeous when it comes out. It's going to be out late next week. We'll be done. Other than that, as usual, thanks for you all tuning in. Can't wait to show you the finish and show you how we're going to bring epoxy right into this.